arm up. Back to center, exhale. Good, one more, lift your left arm. Back to center. Now sweep up, full breath in. Fold, that's a nice stretch, hamstrings and glutes. Halfway lift. Low push up, jump it back if you want it. Upward dog. Downward dog, right foot forward, warrior one. Step, use your inhale. Breathe it out. Nice job. So lunge into your front knee. Sweep your arms up and back. Nice. One more breath. Now sweep your arms back, airplane pose. Lift it up. Sweep it back. Good. One more breath. Now launch into airplane all the way. Breathe out. Nice. Lift your arms. Exhale. One more full breath. Land it back. Exhale. Now sweep your arms up. That's a breath in. Low push up all the way down. Upward dog. Downward dog. Left foot, warrior one. So we're going to add airplane, inject it into our flow. Good. Breathe out, lunge. So watch for the airplane. It's going to keep showing its face. Good. Reach it up and back. Now just arms, airplane. Good. Now sweep it up. Do it again. Airplane arms. Squeeze your triceps. Sweep it up. Again, pull it back. Lift your chest. Now this time launch it. Airplane full. Lift your back leg. Breathe out. Nice. Squeeze your arms. Exhale. One more. Lift your leg and then land it back, chest forward. Here's your breath. Sweep your arms. Low push up. So match your movement and breath to do this. Upward dog. Downward dog. Right foot forward. Warrior one. Stay with me. One breath up. Airplane, just your arms. Sweep it up. Full airplane launch. Inhale. Step it back. Now sweep up, breath in. Low push up to the mat. There's our flow. Upward dog. Downward dog. Left foot. Stay with it. Have some fun with this. Airplane, just your arms. Now sweep up.